Hello, my name is Tim Krüger and I work in the market management PCB and lighting. Are you developing right now an application or a device for the field? For an example, a solar inverter? Or you are right now in the field and like to connect a wire easy and fast? Until today, we have such a situation. On the one hand, we have the wire. On the second hand, we have the plug. But now you do not have any time the desk in the field, and you have to use your third hand for the tool, but you do not have the third hand. From now on, we have the solution for you, WAGO lever. WAGO lever we can provide for PCB terminal blocks and pluggable systems. Just open the lever, connect a flexible wire, and close the lever again. A secure and fast connection. And the good thing is that these products, the pluggable system and also the PCB terminal blocks, does have the push-in technology, which means you can connect the wire with a ferrule at the end or a solid wire by pushing in directly, and the connection is closed. The result is a vibration-proofed and temperature-proof connection. When we now want to disconnect the wire again, I will show you the PCB terminal blocks for high power with the lever. You just open the lever, disconnect the wire, and close the lever again. Especially in devices like wall boxes or solar inverters, you have limited space and you often do not have the space for the tool. With the lever, you do not have this problem anymore. Together with our mounting fixation and our locking levers, our new lever technology will be the standard of the future.